Hi all, this is Priyadharshini working as an assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic TSP, Traveling Salesman Problem as an activity based way. Let's discuss the traveling salesman problem. So in a given traveling salesman problem, you will be given a set of vertices. The goal is to find the minimum cost by traveling to all the vertices and come back again to the starting point. Let's discuss this with an activity.
Hello guys, today we are going to see traveling salesman problem. Here is the question. Find the sequence of the salesman's visit so that the cost is minimum. We have to find the minimum cost from city. In this question, we have to find the shortest path which gives us the minimum cost. At first, we have to find the minimum value of this row. Here, the 1 is the minimum. In the second row, the 2 and the 4 and 1. At first, we have to find the minimum value from each row. The next step, we have to subtract the minimum value to the each value of the row. We have to keep the infinity as the same, and 2 minus 1, 1, and 4, 6, and 0. And here we have to subtract the value 2 from the row. 4, infinity, 1, 6, 0. Now we have to subtract 4 from this row. So 4, 3, infinity, 0, 3. And now the value 4, 1 minus 4, 8, 0, 2, infinity, and 1. And the last row will be 0, 2, 1, 7, and infinity. A, D, and E. From the third step, we have to select the minimum values from the each columns of this table. Here the 0 is the minimum. The second column, here also 0 is the minimum. Here there is no 0, we are going to take 1. So here 0 and here also 0. After selecting these values, the next step is going to be subtracting the minimum value of these columns to each columns of this matrix. So that will be here this 0, so no change will occur. The values will be same, infinity, 4, 4, 8, and 0. Here also the column will be same, 1, infinity, 3, 0, and 2. Here we have to subtract the value 1 from the each element of this column. So here it will be 4 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0, infinity, 1, and 0. Here the two columns will be same as well, 6, 6, 0, infinity, and 7. 0, 0, 3, 1, infinity. After doing these three steps, we have to do the row and column scanning.
Hello guys, now we are going to scan the each row and column to find 0 where is 0. If any 0 you can find first row A, here we find here 0, this column is right, and B, here is 0, and this column also is right, then C, B is 0, this column also is right, and D, here also 0, this column also is right, and E, A is 0, so this is also right. Then we move to number of lines and number of rows. Number of lines, how many numbers will be straight in the matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. And number of rows, 5 rows. If number of rows and number of lines are equal, we move to next step. Next step we got to find where is 0 is assigned. First A. For A, have assigned it. A to E. Next B. BC is assigned. Next C. B is assigned. Then D. D is B. Then E. E to A.
In the previous step, the salesman is travel A to E randomly, but he must visit this all nodes. So this does not form a proper cycle. Again, we copy this step. Now we copy this previous step. In this step, the salesman first A to travel A to E, it is not formed proper cycle. So the next shortest element is 1. So the travel salesman problem A to B, travel A to B. B to E is formed correctly. B to C to D, it is also formed correctly. D to B, this is not formed proper cycle because B is already existed. Now the next shortest element is 1. But this step C or C is also before we present, so we take E. D to E. D to A is fixed.
So to find the answer, we have to go through this step, and first we are considering A to B. So A in the column we are taking B. So we are having the element 2. So we are highlighting it. So next step, B to C. So we are considering B to C. So we are highlighting 3 here. So then C to D. So from C to D. So we are highlighting this 4. And D to E. From D to E. So it's 5. Then we are going back to E to the A. So we are highlighting this one. So what we have got? A to B is 2, B to C is 3, and then C to D is 4, and then D to E is 5, then E to A is 1. That's it. Now we are just going to add this, got the answer, and here is. Therefore the minimum cost of this problem is 15.
By using the traveling salesman problem, we can easily find out the efficient routes in the delivery data. The data drivers must be lesser distance being calculated, but it takes few hours. The basic articulations applications are, it is used in DNA sequencing, logistics and network design.